Remote control blueberries never let me down. Oh no. Well, remote control blueberries never make me wear a frown. Oh no, no, when I'm sitting in my reclining chair, there ain't no blueberries anywhere. What do but pick up a remote control? And 4 seconds later, I have myself right in front of me a bunch of blueberries and a bowl. Yeah. Remote control blueberries never ever let me down. No way, no how, yeah. Remote control blueberries are the best thing around. You know it's true. Where, oh, where can remote control blueberries be found, you ask? Well, I ain't telling 'cause they're my little secret now. Ooh.